Today we're going to talk about something absolutely essential for every cook: knives. As a tool for your kitchen, a knife that feels comfortable to you and allows you to chop, slice, dice, and mince with precision is crucial. The ZWILLING Pro line of knives is designed for ergonomic comfort and stability, promoting efficiency, safety, and ease of use no matter the task. They're designed with a curved bolster, which promotes the use of the chef-approved pinch grip and makes the knife feel like an extension of your hand. Let's start with the basics. There are 3 knives every kitchen should have: a chef's knife, a paring knife, and a serrated knife. One of the most important tools you can keep in your kitchen is a chef's knife. It's perfect for everyday undertakings, from chopping herbs to dicing onions to slicing through chicken. The long blade with the sharp pointed end allows for the knife to be used in a variety of ways with ease and precision. Next up, we have the paring knife. It may be small, but don't underestimate its versatility. The ultra-sharp blade makes it the perfect tool for in-hand tasks like peeling vegetables and fruits or precise slicing on the cutting board. Last but not least, no kitchen is complete without a serrated knife. It's perfect for cutting items that are crunchy or firm on the outside but soft in the middle, like crusty bread or ripe tomatoes. The teeth on the blade help cut through tough exteriors without compressing and squishing, leaving you with perfect slices every time. So there you have it, 3 essential kitchen knives that will help you tackle any recipe. So grab your knife and get cooking.